Arutwo 141 na 49 aria maraingira university mwaka wa mbere nio maikitie ihoya kuri ruhonge rwa UGAI wa kigina kia university makienda uteithio wa scholarship na ngombo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa HELB. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa UGAI wa kigina kia university Geoffrey Monare, gukinyeria riu arutwo 12,950 nio maikitie ihoya kuri ruhonge ruru makienda mabataro mao guthurimwo weru thutha wa gwikora ikundi-ini iria itamagiriire kuria marabatara kuriha gicunji kinene kia bithi.
We are in the process of evaluating the appeals that have already been in the process. As at yesterday evening, over 10,000 appeals had been processed, and this shows that there are many Kenyans who are still interested to ensure that they are banded in the correct band.
Ruhonge ruru ona kuhanoro uguo rugite niguo mateta ma arutwo aya guthurimwo no muhaka murutwo akorwo aikiti ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo na scholarship, murutwo aheane gitumi kieru gia kwenda ihoya riake guthurimwo, na no arutwo aria mari thiini wa gikundi gia keri, gatatu, kana na gatano mari na mweke wa gwiki ihoya riri.
We are going to even engage the NGOMBO, that is the provincial administration, to go to some of these students to verify the information that they are giving us currently, so that we don't leave any student behind. So those are the appeal requests. Within 3 weeks maximum from the date a student applies, we will be able to give them their feedback.
Kuringana na ripoti irerekereirio ni ruhonge rwa UGAI wa kigina kia university, arutwo 21,840 nio mari thiini wa gikundi kia mbere, arutwo 26,920 magikirwo thiini wa gikundi gia keri, nakio gikundi gia gatatu kiri na arutwo 36,947, gikundi gia kana arutwo 9,228, nakio gikundi gia gatano kiri na arutwo 10,814.
The government has already released 2.8 billion for scholarships and 5.8 billion for loans. This money will be released to the students next week, and we have started already the process. We will release the students. First charge will be upkeep money, because we understand the students will require money for their day-to-day. And then the scholarships which goes to the universities will also be released.
University ciothe ni cioritio guthi na mbere kwamukira arutwo riri mutaratara wa guthurima aria mari na mateta urathie na mbere, na oho guteithiriria arutwo aria matari marahota gwiki ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo kana scholarship mbere ya mihang'o ino gugatiriho tariki 31 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka uyu.
All the students who were expected to report, or the universities that have opened, no student has been turned away. All the students have been allowed to report, and if there is anyone who has got an issue with the reporting, let them get in touch with us.
Maya Mokitiriri, Speaker wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula andikire Ministry ya Githomo akienda ripoti nginyaniru ya mitaratara iri rafatarania guthondeka watho wa kurugamirira UGAI wa kigina kia bursaries niguo gutigirira kuri na waragania na wiganania kuri arutwo othe.
If you can generate policy, this house will be more than happy to turn it into law, so that we can amalgamate and consolidate these funds, and they'll go a long way in providing free universal education for our children.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gena, Wawadurwa.